Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video because today my daughter here, she's gonna be blindfolded and she's gonna be doing my makeup. So I'm gonna actually tell her what the products are, but I'm not gonna tell her where to put it. She's gonna have to figure that out herself by touching my face.
And don't forget to thumbs up to this video, share this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can get whenever we post or he posts a video.
Alright, let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure she doesn't peek through. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the eye. I'm gonna give her the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and let her. As you can see right here, she blocked the hole. I'm gonna give her the beauty blender. I know it's kind of like used, so. Okay, now you should do a good job on blending. What do you guys think? So we're gonna use this palette today. So that's what she did. Give her this other brush, a Sigma brush, and I'm gonna let her. What color do you want?
I feel like I'm gonna go for I feel like I'm gonna go for pink.
Okay. There you go.
And then to be more challenging, you know. On top of the pink.
Okay, here's the blue.
And then I'm gonna try to.
There's the blue. Okay, go ahead. Liquid liner, actually. Okay, so it's all over my hijab, it's fine. Glad I'm wearing black, guys. This mascara right here, it's called Better Than Sex 2.
Practice, my amigo.
Okay, so what do you want to do next?
Maybe now the eyebrow.
Eyebrows. So we're gonna use Anastasia dark brown.
That didn't sound like it well.
Okay, let's see. What else do you want to do now?
Okay, now let's do the foundation.
The Too Faced primer. Okay, so next she's gonna do the foundation, and it's the LA girl. It's a pro coverage. I'm just gonna go ahead. It has a pump. I'm gonna put it in the back of her hand, and I'm gonna let her do the work.
Can I get a brush to put it on?
You want it with the brush?
Yeah.
I was just gonna do it with your hand. Just rub it with your
I
hand.
feel like it would be easier with the brush.
She's gonna use this brush right here. She's gonna put the foundation now. So. Yeah, first just put it on, and then I'll give you the beauty.
You need to get.
Oh my gosh, it's all over stuff. Alright, go ahead. Stop. Whoa, you don't think have the makeup look. Eye look. Okay, here. It's fine. Here. Here. Just go ahead and beat my face with that. She poked my eye with the beauty blender, guys. Oh, as you could see.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, I wasn't supposed to open my eye, I guess. Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Fully blended.
Yeah, it looks the same. Is the Bahama Mama for this? Guys, she's contouring right here, okay?
Think.
Ahead and use the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Okay, here you go. I already packed it on both sides for her. All she has to do is put it on my face. Oh. Okay, go ahead. You gotta find the places where you put the highlight. Go ahead.
I need to find the brush.
What you guys think? Next, you're gonna do the lipstick. Good. telling me to open my mouth. Okay.
I am a makeup artist. Are we missing a step?
No, I think you did every single step and use all the products. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove her blindfold, and I'm gonna let her see what she did on my face. So all of you guys are already seeing what she did. So you know, comment below, but don't be mean, okay? Alright, don't be mean, alright?
I was blindfolded, people.
Okay, even if you guys were blindfolded, you probably
It's
do
really
the
hard
same
though.
thing, okay?
Like,
So, yeah. It's gonna be a surprise for her, okay guys? Alright, I'm gonna take off the blindfold.
a whole new world.
What she did. Dun, dun, dun. How do I look? She's moving away, okay? She's scared of me. I look really scary. Why are you moving away from me? Yeah. So, guys, and you know, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up. You get more videos like this, and I'll be doing more videos soon, inshallah. So, yeah.
And subscribe.
And don't forget to show my daughter a bunch of love, okay guys?
I love you.
We had so much fun doing this video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it.
And also share and turn on post notifications, because you never know when I'm gonna pop up.
All right.